Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you about optical illusion. The simplest way to describe an optical illusion is that it is a trick that our eyes play on us. We seem to see something that is really isn't so, or we may able to see the same things in two completely different ways. If our eyes are functioning properly and they are instruments for seeing exactly what is seen before us, how can they play trick on us? Here is it what it makes it possible. Vision is not a physical process. It is not like photography, for instance, which works mechanically. Vision is like a psychological experience because it is not just the eye that sees, but the brain also. The eyes are mechanical instrument for receiving impressions, but when those images reach the brain, a judgment takes place. The cells of the brain that have to decide what they think this image is. What helps the brain makes this decision? One of the most important things is the work that the eye muscles have to do in order to see a thing. In judging distance, angle, and the relation of image in space, our eye have to move back and forth. Our brain says that our eye have traveled a certain distance because the brain has an idea of the amount of energy and time it took for our eye to move back and forth. So now we have the possibility of one kind of optical illusion. Suppose there are two kind of equal length, but one is vertical and one is horizontal. The horizontal line will seem shorter to us because it is easier for eyeballs to move from side to side than up and down. So the brain decides the horizontal line must be shorter. So friends, now we know how an optical illusion fools your brain. For more interesting and amazing facts, please continue to like and subscribe my channel.